Hi friends, in this video, let's clear how mosquitoes find us even at night. Mosquitoes don't need light to find you. They use super sensitive sensors that guide them like mini radars. Let's see how mosquitoes find us. The first one, it acts as a carbon dioxide detector. When we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide. Yes, mosquitoes can sense the carbon dioxide from 20 to 30 feet away. This is their main signal that a human is nearby. The second one, body heat. Mosquitoes have heat sensors. They can follow our warm body temperature in the dark. Third one, body odor. Chemicals in our sweat, like lactic acid, attract them even in the dark. Fourth one, movement. Even small movements create air vibration. Mosquitoes can detect. Fifth one, dark clothes. Mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors because it helps them focus visually even in low light. So friends, that is the real science behind why mosquitoes find us even in total darkness. If you want more quick science facts like this, don't forget to like, share and follow for more. Thank you friends.